to here.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Hey, everybody. Say hi, Stella. Come say hi to the world.
hi. Hi.
This is all her fault. All me wanting to look nice and whatnot. She got me all grooving about it. So, yeah, I am going to give myself a little bit of a long layered. And I know my hair is kind of short, but it's not short. And I'm not going to lose a lot of length with this. So I'm kind of excited. I got to get my glasses up here. So let me tell you what I did before we got here. I washed my hair. Let me know if you're hopping on. Say hello. Tell me where you're coming from. If you're new, then say what's up. I'm also going to be putting this on YouTube. So if you are watching on YouTube, that will be a recording. Go ahead and hit subscribe. Bam on that like button. And hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of these videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're proud. She's a YouTuber, like freak, so she's like waiting for me to say the right things. So what I did is I washed my hair, I conditioned my hair, and what I'm going to do after this, you won't see the end result because we're on live and I would have to like blow dry my hair and stuff here, and that's ridiculous. What I will do though is I will take pictures tomorrow after I do my hair so you can see what it looks like. After I'm done, I'm actually going to give myself a deep treatment. Put my hair in pigtails for my protective style for the nighttime. She's got a loose tooth. And but right now, what I want to do is cut my hair. So I washed it. I detangled it. I took my brush and my crazy knockoff Felicia Leatherman. It's okay for me. It doesn't really work for her. It's a little too short. And you can see all my hair's on there. And I got all the knots out and I brush it forward to a very tight bun. Hey, Christy McDonald. I'm going to cut my hair right on live Facebook. Isn't that silly? And I did that ponytail right here to the middle of my forehead, really tight. So I don't have any bumps in this. I'm pretty excited. I just recently did a balayage on myself. I love the results. I love my hair. But I know I've got some ends that need some work because I knot up pretty quick, and that's a sign that you need a trim. So I wanted to make sure that I got myself. What's up, Amanda Lee? How you doing? Still, it loves that. So this is where I'm starting. So if you had longer hair, this is not a tutorial, and just so you know, I'm a beauty school dropout, so I'm not afraid to kind of doing stuff to my own hair. Oh, she picked my nose. So if you are, don't go to the hairstylist. There's, especially if you're here locally, we got some pretty good girls here that do a great job. I just want to do basically a trim and get some of my layers defined. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rat tail comb right now, and I'm going to make sure this is brushed really good and straight, and you can see that I need some work here. You can see how uneven it is. So what I'm going to do to make sure that I'm cutting it right where I need it to, I'm going to put another elastic. This is a tight elastic. I use this for my pigtails at night, and sometimes my pigtails from whenever. Amanda says hi. That's Hunter's mom. And so I'm going to go ahead and do a extra ponytail in the ponytail right now. Don't touch the faces. It makes them come on. And if I can do that. I have a wonky hand, so this is brave of me with a wonky hand, and I've got water dripping all over me. That's okay. One more.
I'm not touching the face.
Okay. So let me see. I wish I could see it better. Oh, I can. I just have to adjust my glasses. It looks pretty good and tight. Does it look good and tight to you? Yeah? So
You want to cut it from there?
I'm going to pull it down just a little. Yeah, I don't want to cut that much. That would be sad for me. I would cry a little. This is actually going to, I'm going to be able to maintain my length. You might not think so now, but because all that back hair is all the way like that.
You're getting so much love.
I'm getting so much love.
You're getting happy.
We love love.
You're getting
Love and laughing faces.
Yeah.
Because it's a little silly. So when I went to Sally Beauty Supply, because everything's on, in St. Albans, if they're still open, everything's on sale, dude. Like cheap. So I got myself some scissors, because every time I get cutting scissors, my daughter or my granddaughter uses them on paper, and that's against the law. So I got good ones, and I'm hiding them. I almost couldn't find them for myself. I almost had to use the scissors for the kitchen. But, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to look over here. I'm going right underneath, just because it's shorter. If I had longer hair down here, like longer, like that, I would cut over the elastic that I just put on, but I'm going to cut right under it. And here it goes. See if I can do this. Oh, these scissors are so nice. Ta-da! I did it! So check it out. Here's all the dead stuff that was in my hair. And you can kind of tell because it's kind of sharp and funky looking. But that's a total of 3 inches. And most of that's going to be inside the hair and not off the length. So now that I've got that done, I'm going to pull the elastic off. And I want to kind of check out how straight it is. And it's pretty blunt. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah, look at that, Stella. Let me use the comb so I can make sure it's really brushed down. Because this is when I'm going to look and see if I left anything super long behind that I need to trim. And I'm also going to feather the ends so that it's softer looking. I have pretty wavy hair and I don't want really blunt lines in it because it would look funny. And I guess wavy hairs I got really differently textured hair, but does it look straight to you, Stella?
Yeah.
Pretty good? Okay. So, one method is you go ahead and you take your ponytail to 2 and you kind of work with one side. And I think because my hair is kind of short, I'm going to just work with one. I wish I had a mirror in here. I think I need to get a mirror this week. Let me see here. Yeah. Heather Shea, what's going on? I'm cutting my hair and show her my hair. Did you still have it? Show Heather the hair. Got a holy moly. Got a bunch of hair off. So what I want to do is I want to feather into this so it's not super blunt. And because I'm half blind and I have a wonky hand, it's going to be a little hard. So I'm going to just go in there like that.
You're getting
And I'm getting it all over the place. I'm going to have to sweep.
On your own. You have to do that because why?
So that it's not too blunt of a cut. It'll weigh my hair down too much. I'm going in there a little hardcore, guys. It's a little bit scary. Let me use my comb.
This was the third part.
A little scary. Still pretty straight, I think. Oh my god, that's great. Okay. So basically that's done. How exciting is that? Bless you. Jeez, good thing you covered it up.
It will still grow though.
Oh, go get me my makeup bag so I can use a compact and look at it a little closer. Because it's over there by my nightstand. You know where the contouring stuff is? Nightstands are next to beds, honey. Makeup bag. Bring me the whole bag.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. She knows all about makeup. This kid could put a full face of makeup on. It's crazy. But I have a compact I can look a little closer. I think it's kind of important because this is my head. Yeah, Stella's all grown up. She's, how old are you now? 6 years old. Say hi, Barbara.
Hi, Barbara.
And let me just take a look with the compact. Before I take this out and move on.
Look, you got a love face.
I got a love face? I love faces. I think that's as good as it's going to get. Yeah, I feel good about it. Yep. Okay, so I'm pulling this out. But first I'm going to put a little of the hair mask that I'm going to be using on my head, in my hand, and put it right on these ends right away. Let's gotta moisturize those ends right away, right? Gotta do it. Because what I'm going to do, I have my favorite protective style for sleeping. And I'm going to moisturize my hair all night. I'm going to sleep in it. So.
Let's see what it looks like.
Let's pull this out. Wow.
Whoa, it looks really short.
It does. It's really short.
But it will grow again.
Oh yeah, and it'll grow healthier. Your hair won't grow if your hair is damaged. So sometimes you gotta cut it. So my fake Felicia Leatherman.
At least this hair
Not so
is
great.
on the back.
I don't like it.
At least that hair is
I want a real
still
Felicia
on the
Leatherman.
back.
Yeah, my hair's still long in the back. Because I don't want to make new ouchies on my hair. This side is the side I don't sleep on, so it's always got pretty ringlets. And this side is the one I do sleep on, so it looks like I just got out of a fight or something. It's weird.
I'll keep this one.
You gonna keep that? Alright. Don't make any spells against me now, kid. Make good spells for me. Use it to make a good spell for me. Like, my grandma's so rich. That kind of spell.
And me
Well, if I'm rich, you're rich, right?
and I'll make it smell that this is healthy.
Huh?
This hair is healthy.
That hair is gone. That hair wasn't healthy. So I just want to make sure I got no knots.
Lotion that will do this healthy.
I feel pretty good about this.
Hey, I'll do a
Doesn't look
potion.
uneven. I gotta make sure I'm not sitting.
I'll do a potion I'll do a potion to make this healthy.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna put more of my intense conditioner on. And I'm gonna put a bunch in my hand. And I'm gonna take one ponytail and I'm gonna put it all the way through where it's gonna go. And I'm gonna do a twist out.
How are you gonna sleep on this bed with a bunch of clothes?
I'm gonna take all the clothes off the bed. We did laundry last week and did folding this week because that's how we roll. That's right. So I'll have a lot less hair falling out in the shower. My hair should grow pretty fast because I've been taking really good care of it, and it's happy with me, and I'm happy with it being happy with me. And I'm going to put this in a pretty tight, low pigtail. Right here. Who's that? I just saw, hey Tracy Miller Morgan, what's going on, girl? I'm just doing my hair. I cut my hair before. You gotta watch the replay, it's crazy. Alright. I do that when I want at the grocery store, like when I'm waiting online. And waiting online and, you know, somebody's looking over at me, I'll do that because it's funny. People like it. Okay. And then I'm just going to twist this together to keep the hair from flying around. I don't sleep with a bonnet or a do-rag. I just have satin sheets. Satin. Hey, Nighty. What's going on? So this is a twist. This is my twist. If I could do a twist out, a flat twist, I would be stoked, but I can't. So I just live my life like this. Look at that. I gotta put it in the other side is what I gotta do. That just distracted me to no end. So I'm gonna twist this down to the bottom. And I'm gonna put another elastic on it to keep it like this all night. Because this side is now fully conditioned. And it'll sit like that all night. Tomorrow, all I'll do is rinse it out in the shower before work. And I'll probably diffuse my hair. I won't do much. I'll just diffuse it. I'm not going to straighten it. I want to try to avoid hot irons because, man, that really beats my hair up right now, especially with the bleach that's in it. Ooh, can I get that? Okay. Phew. That worries me when I put the stuff on the end if I'm going to damage the ends. But so far I haven't. And I guess it's because I'm taking care of that. Make sure I don't go too crazy. So it's about a quarter of an amount of the hair mask that I'm putting on my hair. A quarter, like a quarter size, or even almost a $50. If it was a 35-cent piece, I guess that's what it would be. And I'm going to do it to this side. A pretty tight pigtail on that side. I'm going to need another elastic. It's okay. So I like these tiny elastics. Or they're not tiny, they're pretty small though. Because they hold the hair in place. And I just do 3. And 3's a lot because I have a lot of hair. Hey Shala, what's going on? Okay. Let me grab another one of these little ones. Because they keep disappearing. Alright. Especially something like this. Yeah, because a trim is going to cost you probably what it's going to cost for a haircut. So being able to trim your own hair or dust your ends is really a money saver. And it helps you understand your hair even more. And that's really good, I think, to understand your hair. So when you're talking to a professional and getting your hair done there, you can communicate what you want without being like, what? What's up, Jennifer Shirky? How's everything going? I was thinking about your sister today. Okay. That's it. I'm done. I'm going to snip one more. I'm snipping again. I feel like... There we go. I snipped it off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Might snip this one off. Oh, I can't see. Did it? Okay. So voila, that's it. Deep conditioning treatment overnight. A nice little dusting and a trim. And I'm super excited about it. Woo woo. My hair will look nice tomorrow. And I will show a picture to show you what happened. So you know, I've got to get ready to get on a webinar. Dinner is almost done soon. Got some messages I got to catch up with. And I'm happy that my phone didn't go ding ding. Hesidik, what's going on? While I was on here. Because I would have been distracted. Thank you guys so much for coming. I'm excited. And what else do I want to say? Well, you know, if you got some value from this, go ahead and share it. And like I said, if you're on YouTube, please subscribe. Hit the notification so you don't miss anything. And let me know where you're watching from and all that fun stuff. And for you guys on live, I thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys coming and giving me all them loves and all those laughy faces. And so that's what's up. I'll see you guys on the other side. Thank you so much. Peace.